Welcome to my Dad Muffin Art channel, a simple technique to create a successful drawing. Choose an object or scene that can be represented with minimal detail, such as a tree, a simple landscape, an animal outline, or a face. This reduces the need for excessive lines. Before drawing, mentally break down the subject into essential parts that can be drawn in fewer strokes. Think about what figures are the most important to include. Concentrate on drawing the basic contours of the object. The outline of the subject usually captures most of the necessary detail. For example, for a tree, focus on the trunk and main branches instead of drawing every detail. Use lines that sketch from the structure. For example, a few lines can sketch folds in cloth or the curve of a face. Divide the subject into different parts and assign a specific number of lines to each. Thanks for watching this video.